ستړی مشې سلام.
Hi. Hi.
سهار مو په خیر.
Good morning. Good morning.
غرمه مو په خیر.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening.
تاسو څنګه یې؟
How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you?
څه نوې او تازه.
What's up? What's up?
زه ښه یم مننه.
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
تاسو څنګه یاست؟
And you? And you?
او تاسو څنګه یاست؟
And you? And you?
ښه.
Good. Good.
قهوه.
Coffee. Coffee.
شیدې.
Milk. Milk.
سهارنۍ. غرمنۍ.
Lunch. Lunch.
ماښامنۍ.
Dinner. Dinner.
مړۍ ډوډۍ.
Bread. Bread.
پنیر.
Cheese. Cheese.
د چرګ غوښه.
Chicken. Chicken.
هګۍ.
Eggs. Eggs.
ماهی.
Fish. Fish.
غذا.
Food. Food.
میوه.
Fruit. Fruit.
غوښه.
Meat. Meat.
ساندویچ.
Sandwich. Sandwich.
بوره.
Sugar. Sugar.
چای.
Tea. Tea.
سره بانجان.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
سبزی سابه.
Vegetables. Vegetables.
اوبه.
Tip. Tip.
دغه میوه ډیره خوندوره ده.
This fruit is delicious. This fruit is delicious.
پنیر می ډیر خوښیږي.
I like cheese. I like cheese.
کمربند.
belt, belt,
काली जामे लिबास
clothes, clothes,
कोट जम्पर कुर्ते
coat, coat,
खजीना काली या जामे
dress, dress,
ऐनक चश्मे
glasses, glasses,
दस्तकश
gloves, gloves,
खुले
hat, hat,
जाकत
jacket, jacket,
पतलून
pants, pants,
गुतमई
ring, ring,
खनकाक यखन
shirt, shirt,
भूटान
shoes, shoes,
जुराबे
socks, socks,
दरीशी
suit, suit,
बनेल बनेन
sweater, sweater,
नेकटाई
tie, tie,
छतरी
umbrella, umbrella,
नेकर
underwear, underwear,
बटवा
wallet, wallet,
लासी साथ
watch, watch,
زما جامې دي خوښې شوې
do you like my dress? Do you like my dress?
دا بوټان تنګ دي
These shoes are small. These shoes are small.
کتاب
Book, book,
کتابونه
books, books,
چوکۍ
chair, chair,
دفتری میز
desk, desk,
قاموس
dictionary, dictionary, languages, languages,
کتابتون
library, library,
لپټاپ
laptop, laptop,
پاڼه
page, page,
کاغذ
paper, paper,
قلم
pen, pen,
بنسل
pencil, pencil,
پوښتنه
question, question,
مکتب یا مدرسه
school, school,
زده کوونکی
student, student,
ښوونکی استاد
teacher, teacher,
پوهنتون
university, university,
د هغه کتاب نوم څه دی
what's the name of that book? What's the name of that book?
یوه پوښتنه لرم
I have a question. I have a question.
شا
Back, back,
سینه
chest, chest,
غوږ
ear, ear,
سترګه
eye, eye,
مخ
face, face,
پښه
feet, feet,
ګوتې
fingers, fingers,
ویښته ویښتان
hair, hair,
لاس
hand, hand,
سر
head, head,
زړه
heart, heart,
پښه
leg, leg,
خوله
leg, leg,
خنګری
neck, neck,
پوزه
nose, nose,
غاښونه
teeth, teeth,
ژبه
tongue, tongue,
زه په خپله پزه بوی معلوموم
I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose.
د هغې سترګې ښکلې دي
She has beautiful eyes. She has beautiful eyes.
الوتکه
Airplane. Airplane.
هوایی میدان
Airport. Airport.
بس
Bus. bus,
اډه
bus station, bus station,
موټر
car, car,
پرواز
flight, flight,
د مرستې شعبه
help desk, help desk,
هوټل
hotel, hotel,
پاسپورت
passport, passport,
تاکسی
taxi, taxi,
ټیکټ
ticket, ticket,
سیلان
tourism, tourism,
اورګاډي ریل
train, train,
د اورګاډي اډه
train station, train station,
اورګاډي له لارې
by train, by train,
د موټر له لارې
by car, by car,
د بس په واسطه
by bus, by bus,
د ټکسي په واسطه
by taxi, by taxi,
د الوتکې په واسطه
by airplane, by airplane,
تاسو د قرض کارت اخلئ
do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
د دې مصرف به څومره شي
How much will it cost? How much will it cost?
زه دلته منظوري لرم
I have a reservation. I have a reservation.
زه غواړم چې موټر په کرایه واخلم
I'd like to rent a car. I'd like to rent a car. I'm here on business. I'm here on business.
آیا دغه چوکۍ نیول شوې ده
On vacation. On vacation.
لږ یې نه ارزانه کوئ
Can you take less? Can you take less?
تاسو د قرض کارت اخلئ
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
د دغه بیه څو ده
How much is this? How much is this?
هسې یې ګورم
I'm just looking. I'm just looking.
صرف نقد روپۍ اخلو
Only cash, please. Only cash, please.
فقط یو لږ
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Just a little. Just a little.
څه نومیږئ؟
What's your name? What's your name?
زما نوم جاندوی ده.
My name is. My name is.
ښاغلی ښاغلې مېرمن.
Mr. Mrs. Miss. Mr. Mrs. Miss.
خوښ شوم د لیدو څخه دې.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
ته ډېر مهربانه یې.
You're very kind. You're very kind.
تاسو د کوم ځای یاست؟
Where are you from? Where are you from?
زه د امریکا څخه یم.
I'm from the U.S. I'm from the U.S.
زه امریکایی یم.
I'm American. I'm American.
تاسو چیرته اوسېږئ؟
Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in the U.S. I live in the U.S.
دغه ځای مو خوښ شو؟
Do you like it here? Do you like it here?
ستاسو عمر څومره دی؟
How old are you? How old are you?
زه 30 کلن یم.
I'm
تاسو واده کړی دی؟
Are you married? Are you married?
تاسو ماشومان لرئ؟
Do you have children? Do you have children?
زه باید لاړ شم.
I have to go. I have to go.
زه بیرته راځم.
I will be right back. I will be right back.
طفل ماشوم.
Baby. Baby.
هلک.
Boy. Boy.
ورور.
Brother. Brother.
ماشومه.
Child. Child.
ماشوم.
Child. Child.
ترور. لور. ماما لور.
Cousin. Cousin.
ترور. زوی. ماما زوی.
Cousin. Cousin.
لور.
Daughter. Daughter.
پلار.
Father. Father.
جلی.
Girl. Girl.
نیکه.
Grandfather. Grandfather.
نیا
grandmother, grandmother,
میړه خاوند
husband, husband,
سړی
man, man,
مور
mother, mother,
خلق
people, people,
خور
sister, sister,
زوی
son, son,
میرمن ښځه
wife, wife,
ښځه
woman, woman,
ستاسو خور څو کلنه ده
how old is your sister? How old is your sister?
خپل ورور په کوم نوم یادوي
What's your brother called? What's your brother called?
اداکار
Actor, actor,
اداکاره
actress, actress,
فنکار
artist, artist,
سوداګر
businessman, businessman,
ډاکټر
doctor, doctor,
نرسه
nurse, nurse,
پولیس
policeman, policeman,
سندرغاړی
singer, singer,
زده کوونکی
student, student,
ښوونکی
teacher, teacher,
ژباړونکی ترجمان
translator, translator,
هغه پولیس ده
he is a policeman, he is a policeman,
زه یو فنکار یم
I'm an artist, I'm an artist,
زه د کار په لټه کې یم
I'm looking for a job, I'm looking for a job,
ورځې
days, days,
دوشنبه
Monday, Monday,
سه شنبه
Tuesday, Tuesday,
چهارشنبه
Wednesday, Wednesday,
پنجشنبه
Thursday, Thursday,
جمعه
Friday, Friday,
شنبه
Saturday, Saturday,
یکشنبه
Sunday, Sunday,
جنوری
January, January,
فروری
February, February,
مارچ
March, March,
اپریل
April, April,
می
May, May,
جون
June, June,
جولای
July, July,
اگست
August, August,
ستامبر
September, September,
اکتبر
October, October,
نوامبر
November, November,
دسامبر
December, December,
خزان
Autumn, Autumn,
ژمی
Winter, Winter,
پسرلی
Spring, Spring,
اوړی
Summer, Summer,
وقت
Time, Time,
ساعت घड़ी
Hour, Hour,
मिनट دقيقة
Minute, Minute,
دوهم
Second, Second,
زه جولای کې پیدا شوی وم
I was born in July. I was born in July.
زه به اګست کې ستاسو خواله درځم
I will visit you in August. I will visit you in August.
یخ
Cold, cold,
گرم
hot, hot,
بارانی
rain, rain,
واوره
snow, snow,
پسرلی
spring, spring,
اوړی
summer, summer,
لمر
sun, sun,
لمریز
sunny, sunny,
معتدل.
warm, warm,
معتدل.
wind, wind,
بادي.
windy, windy,
ژمي.
winter, winter,
باران أوري.
it is raining, it is raining,
المري ورځ.
it is sunny, it is sunny,
بادي ده.
it is windy, it is windy,
ساړه دي.
it's cold, it's cold,
ګرمي ده.
it's hot, it's hot,
کټ.
bed, bed, bedroom, bedroom,
کمپیوټر.
computer, computer,
دروازه.
door, door,
فرنیچر.
furniture, furniture,
کور. خونه.
house, house,
پخلنځی.
kitchen, kitchen,
یخچال.
refrigerator, refrigerator,
خونه. کوټه. اتاق.
room, room,
تلویزیون.
television, television,
تشناب.
toilet, toilet,
کړکۍ.
window, window,
کړکۍ در سره خلاصولی شې؟
can you open the window? Can you open the window?
زه باید یو کمپیوټر څخه کار واخلم.
I need to use the computer. I need to use the computer.
عربي.
Arabic, Arabic,
Moroccan.
Moroccan, Moroccan,
Marrakesh.
Morocco, Morocco,
چینایی.
Chinese, Chinese,
چینایان.
Chinese, Chinese,
چین.
China, China,
انگلیسی.
English, English,
بریتیانوای.
British, British, Britain, Britain,
أمريكايان
American, American,
أمريكا
America, America,
فرنسوي
French, French,
فرنسويان
French, French,
فرنسا
France, France,
إيطاليوي
Italian, Italian,
إيطاليويان
Italian, Italian,
إيطاليا
Italy, Italy,
جاباني
Japanese, Japanese,
جابانيان
Japanese, Japanese,
جاباني
Japan, Japan,
روسي
Russia, Russia,
روسيان
Russian, Russian,
روسيا
Russia, Russia,
اسبانوي
Spanish, Spanish,
اسبانويان
Spanish, Spanish,
اسبانيا
Spain, Spain,
زه په کوریایي ژبه نه پوهیږم
I don't speak Korean. I don't speak Korean.
زه په ایټالوي ژبه خبرې کوم
I speak Italian. I speak Italian.
زه غواړم چې جرمني ته لاړ شم
I want to go to Germany. I want to go to Germany.
زه په ایټالیا کې زیږېدلی یم
I was born in Italy. I was born in Italy.
زما فرانسوي پنیر خوښیږي
I love French cheese. I love French cheese.
زه ایټالوی یم
I'm Italian. I'm Italian.
تور
Black. Black.
آسمانی شین
Blue. Blue.
خړ نسواري
Brown. Brown.
رنگونه
Colors. Colors.
شین
Green. Green.
نارنجی
Orange. Orange.
سور
Red. Red.
سپین
white, white,
زیړ
yellow, yellow,
زما ویښته تور دي
I have black hair. I have black hair.
ستا پیشو سپینه ده
Your cat is white. Your cat is white.
لرې
Far, far,
دلته
here, here,
چپ
left, left,
خی
right, right,
نږدې
near, near,
مخامخ
straight, straight,
هلته
there, there.
زما مرسته ته ضرورت لرې
Can I help you? Can I help you? Can you help me? Can you help me?
کولی شې چې راته وښیې
Can you show me? Can you show me?
راځه زما سره
Come with me. Come with me.
زه لا درکه ورک یم
I'm lost. I'm lost.
زه د دې ځای اوسیدونکی نه یم
I'm not from here. I'm not from here.
چپ طرف ته تاو شه
Turn left. Turn left.
ښي طرف ته تاو شه
Turn right. Turn right.
د غذا لیست
Menu. Menu.
قاشوغه
Spoon. Spoon.
چاړه چاقو
Knife. Knife.
قاشوغ پنجه
Fork. Fork.
مشقاق پلیت
Plate. Plate.
میز
Table. Table.
سلاطه
Salad. Salad.
یوه پیاله
A cup of. A cup of.
یو ګلاس
A glass of. A glass of.
مالګه
Salt. Salt.
زه یوازې سابه خورم
I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian.
دا ډیر خوندور دی
It is very delicious. It is very delicious.
آیا موږ د مصارفو بیل کتلی شو؟
May we have the check, please? May we have the check, please?
د مصارفو پارچه.
The bill, please. The bill, please.
میلمه پالونکې.
Waiter, waitress. Waiter, waitress.
څه باید وخورو؟
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
د دغه خوړو نوم څه ده؟
What's the name of this dish? What's the name of this dish?
مشکل نشته.
No problem. No problem.
پیښه.
Accident. Accident.
امبولانس.
Ambulance. Ambulance.
ډاکټر.
Doctor. Doctor.
سردرد.
Headache. Headache.
د زړه حمله.
Heart attack. Heart attack.
ما سره مرسته وکړه.
Help me. Help me.
روغتون.
Hospital. Hospital.
درمل. دوا.
Medicines. Medicines.
درملتون.
Pharmacy. Pharmacy.
زهر.
Poison. Poison.
پولیس.
Police. Police.
د خېټې درد. نس درد.
Stomach ache. Stomach ache.
آیا ته ښه یې؟
Are you okay? Are you okay?
ډاکټر ته تماس ونیسه.
Call a doctor. Call a doctor.
امبولانس راوغواړه.
Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance.
پولیس سره په تماس کې شه.
Call the police. Call the police.
ځان سنبال که.
Calm down. Calm down.
ځان مریض احساسوم.
I feel sick. I feel sick.
دغه ځای درد کوي.
It hurts here. It hurts here.
دا عجل دی.
It's urgent. It's urgent.
غلی شه.
Stop. Stop.
غل.
Thief. Thief.
څاروی یا حیوان.
animal, animal,
پیشو
cat, cat,
سپی
dog, dog,
اس
horse, horse,
ته کوم څاروي لرې؟
do you have any animals? Do you have any animals?
زه سپی لرم.
I have a dog. I have a dog.
زه په فرانسوي ښه نه پوهیږم.
My French is bad. My French is bad.
زه ضرورت لرم چې فرانسوي زده کړم.
I need to practice my French. I need to practice my French.
ته خوښوې چې وګرځې؟
Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk?
ټلیفون شماره دې راکولی شې؟
Can I have your phone number? Can I have your phone number?
برېښنا لیک ادرس دې راکولی شې؟
Can I have your email? Can I have your email?
تا واده کړی ده؟
Are you married? Are you married?
زه مجرد یم.
I'm single. I'm single.
تاسو به سبا مازدیګر ته بیکاره وئ؟
Are you free tomorrow evening? Are you free tomorrow evening?
غواړم چې ماښام ډوډۍ ته دعوت درکړم.
I would like to invite you for dinner. I would like to invite you for dinner.
تاسو چیرته اوسیږئ؟
Where do you live? Where do you live?
دغه مو خوښیږي؟
Do you like it? Do you like it?
زما ډیر خوښیږي. زه ستا سره مینه کوم.
I love you. I love you.
ته له ما سره واده کوې؟
Would you marry me? Would you marry me?
وړوکی، کوچنی.
Small. Small.
لوی، ستر، غټ.
Big. Big.
جیک، اوږد.
Tall. Tall.
لنډ.
Short. Short.
ارزان.
Cheap. Cheap.
ډیر قیمتي.
Expensive. Expensive.
ښه.
Good. Good.
بد.
Bad. Bad.
غلط.
Wrong. Wrong.
صحیح درست سم نوی
new, new,
روډ
old, old,
ځوان
young, young,
زوړ
old, old,
مشکل سخت ګران
difficult, difficult,
آسان
easy, easy,
دغه قیمت ډیر زیات دی
this is too expensive, this is too expensive,
آیا زه صحیح یم او که غلط
am I right or wrong, am I right or wrong,
دلته
here, here,
هلته
there, there,
ژر
quickly, quickly,
واقعا رښتیا سره
really, really,
ورو ورو
slowly, slowly,
تل همیشه
always, always,
هیڅ کله نه
never, never,
کله ناکله ځینې وخت
sometimes, sometimes,
راتلونکې اونۍ
next week, next week,
اوس
now, now,
ژر
soon, soon,
نن
today, today,
سبا
tomorrow, tomorrow,
نن شپه
tonight, tonight,
پرون
yesterday, yesterday,
دغه ځای مو خوښ شو
do you like it here, do you like it here,
وروسته به سره وینو
see you later, see you later,
ستاسو څخه ډیره مننه
thank you very much, thank you very much,
ښځه
woman, woman,
ښځې
women, women,
نر سړی
man, man,
سړي
men, men,
هلک
boy, boy,
هلکان
boys, boys,
نجلۍ
girl, girl,
نجونې
girls, girls,
هېواد
country, country,
هېوادونه
countries, countries.
موږ په دوو ژبو خبرې کوو
We speak two languages. We speak two languages.
دی درې خويندې لري
He has two sisters. He has two sisters.
پیشو
Cat, cat,
سپی
dog, dog,
ښځه
woman, woman,
ښځې
women, women,
مور
mother, mother,
خور
sister, sister,
زه سپی لرم
I have a dog. I have a dog.
زه په ایټالوي ژبه خبرې کوم
I speak Italian. I speak Italian.
خبر نه یم
I don't know. I don't know.
زه نه پوهیږم
I don't understand. I don't understand.
تکرار به یې نه کړئ
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
کولی شئ چې ورو خبرې وکړئ
Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly?
زما په مطلب پوه شوې
Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said?
هغه لفظ ته په انګلیسي کې څه وایي
What does that word mean in English? What does that word mean in English?
دا څه شی دی
What is this? What is this?
دغه ته څه وایي
What is this called? What is this called?
دلته یې راته ولیکه
Write it down, please. Write it down, please.
په وړاندې مخامخ
In front of. In front of.
شاته
Behind. Behind.
مخکې
Before. Before.
وروسته
After. After.
دننه
Inside. Inside.
سره
with, with,
بغیر
without, without,
دباندې
outside, outside,
په سر ده
on top of, on top of,
لاندې
under, under,
او
and,
ترمنځ
between, between,
خو
but, but,
لپاره
for, for,
ل
from, from,
په
in,
نږدې
near, near,
یا
or,
ایا زه کولی شم چې ایټالوي ستا سره عملي کړم
can I practice Italian with you? Can I practice Italian with you?
زه فرانسوي خبرې کوم خو لهجه لرم
I speak French but with an accent. I speak French but with an accent.
هلک
Boy, boy,
نجلۍ
girl, girl,
سړی
man, man,
ښځه
woman, woman,
پلار
father, father,
مور
mother, mother,
ورور
brother, brother,
خور
sister, sister,
پیشۍ
cat, cat,
پیشو
cat, cat,
دی جګ دی
he is tall, he is tall,
دا جګه ده
she is tall, she is tall,
دی ټیټ سړی دی
he is a short man, he is a short man,
دا ټیټه ښځه ده
she is a short woman, she is a short woman,
یو
one, one,
دوه
two, two,
درې
3 3
څلور
4 4
پنځه
5 5
شپږ
6 6
اووه
7 7
اته
8 8
نهه
9 9
لس
10 10
زه
I
ته تا
you
هغه مذکر
he
هغه مونس
she
موږ
we
تاسو تاسې
you
هغوی
they
زه ستا سره مینه کوم
I love you
ماته
me
تاته تاسو ته
you
هغه سړی
him
هغه ښځه
her us you them
ستاسو د ټلیفون شمیره راکړئ
give me your phone number
زه کولی شم زما د برېښنا لیک درکم
I can give you my email
زما
my
ستاسو
your
د هغه سړي
his
د هغې ښځې
her
زموږ
our
ستاسو
your
د هغوی
their
د برېښنا لیک دی
His email is. His email is.
زما د ټلیفون شماره ده.
My phone number is. My phone number is.
څنګه؟
How? How?
څه شی؟
What? What?
کله؟
When? When?
چیرته؟
Where? Where?
څوک؟
Who? Who?
ولې؟
Why? Why?
زما مرستې ته ضرورت لرئ؟
Can I help you? Can I help you? Can you help me? Can you help me?
آیا په انګلیش کې خبرې کولای شئ؟
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
د دغه بیه څو ده؟
How much is this? How much is this?
ستاسو نوم څه دی؟
What is your name? What is your name?
ساعت څو بجې دی؟
What time is it? What time is it?
کله موږ کولی شو چې سره ملاقات وکړو؟
When can we meet? When can we meet?
تاسو چیرته اوسیږئ؟
Where do you live? Where do you live?
ور څوک ټکوي؟
Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door?
ولې قیمته دی؟
Why is it expensive? Why is it expensive?
نه.
No. No.
هیڅ.
Nothing. Nothing.
تر اوسه نه.
Not yet. Not yet.
هیڅوک نه.
No one. No one.
نور نه.
No longer. No longer.
هیڅ کله نه.
Never. Never.
امکان نشته.
Cannot. Cannot.
کېدای نشي.
Should not. Should not.
فکر یې مه کوئ.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
زما خبره نه ده په یاد.
I cannot remember the word. I cannot remember the word.
زه جاپانی خبرې نه کوم.
I do not speak Japanese. I do not speak Japanese.
خبر نه یم.
I don't know. I don't know.
زه په ایټالوي صحیح بلد نه یم.
I'm not fluent in Italian yet. I'm not fluent in Italian yet.
هیڅوک دلته یوناني خبرې نه کوي.
No one here speaks Greek. No one here speaks Greek.
مشکل نشته.
No problem. No problem.
ځه.
Go. Go.
غلی شه.
Stop. Stop.
مه ځه.
Don't go. Don't go.
پاتې شه.
Stay. Stay.
دلته راشه.
Come here. Come here.
چوپ شه.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
مستقیم لاړ شه.
Go straight. Go straight.
انتظار.
Wait. Wait. Let's go. Let's go.
کېنه یا کېنه.
Sit down. Sit down.
ښه.
Good. Good.
عالی. بهترین.
Better. Better.
بهتر. عالی.
Best. Best.
بد.
Bad. Bad.
بدتر. بدترین.
Worst. Worst.
نور هم جګ.
Taller. Taller.
نور هم ټیټ.
Shorter. Shorter.
نور هم ځوان.
Younger. Younger.
نور هم بوډا.
Older. Older.
لکه د جګ په شان.
As tall as. As tall as. Taller than. Taller than.
ټیټترین.
Shorter than. Shorter than.
نور ښایسته.
More beautiful. More beautiful.
لږ ښایسته.
Less beautiful. Less beautiful.
ښایسته د ټولو نه.
Most beautiful. Most beautiful. Happy. Happy.
خوشحالتر.
happier, happier,
خوشحالترین
happiest, happiest,
ته خوشحاله یې
you are happy, you are happy,
ته لکه مایا غوندې خوشحاله یې
you are as happy as Maya, you are as happy as Maya,
ته د مایا په نسبت زیاته خوشحاله یې
you are happier than Maya, you are happier than Maya,
ته د ټولو نه خوشحاله یې
you are the happiest, you are the happiest,
فرانسوي معلم یا ښوونکی دلته دی
a French teacher is here, a French teacher is here, the French teacher is here, the French teacher is here,
بعضې ژبې سختې دي
some languages are hard, some languages are hard,
ډېرې ژبې اسانې دي
many languages are easy, many languages are easy, the student speaks Korean, the student speaks Korean,
زده کوونکی کوریایي خبرې کوي
a student speaks Korean, a student speaks Korean,
بعضې زده کوونکي کوریایي خبرې کوي
some students speak Korean, some students speak Korean,
په موټر باندې
to drive, to drive,
ورکول
to give, to give,
درلودل
to have, to have,
پوهېدل
to know, to know,
پوهېدل
to understand, to understand,
کار کول
to work, to work,
لیکل
to write, to write,
دی په ما پوهېږي
he understands me, he understands me,
دی په ما پوه شوی و
he understood me, he understood me, he will understand me, he will understand me,
زه تا وینم
I see you, I see you,
دی کتاب لولي
he reads a book, he reads a book,
دی په ما پوهېږي
he understands me, he understands me,
دا پیشو لري
she has a cat, she has a cat,
دا زما ملګری پیژني
She knows my friend. She knows my friend.
موږ غواړو چې زده یې کړو.
We want to learn. We want to learn.
موږ فکر کوو چې هسپانوي به اسانه وي.
We think Spanish is easy. We think Spanish is easy.
هغوی موټر چلوي.
They drive a car. They drive a car.
هغوی خاندي.
They smile. They smile.
ما لیدلې وې.
I saw you. I saw you.
ما په قلم لیکنه کړې وه.
I wrote with a pen. I wrote with a pen.
تاسو مڼې خوښوئ.
You loved apples. You loved apples.
تاسو د ټینس لوبې وکړې.
You played tennis. You played tennis.
دی په ما پوه شوی و.
He understood me. He understood me.
دې پښو درلوده.
She had a cat. She had a cat.
دی زما ملګری پیژانده.
She knew my friend. She knew my friend.
موږ غوښتل چې زده یې کړو.
We wanted to learn. We wanted to learn.
دوی خندلي وو.
They smiled. They smiled.
ما په قلم لیکنه وکړه.
I will write with a pen. I will write with a pen.
ستا به مڼې خوښې شي.
You will love apples. You will love apples.
دی به کتاب ولولي.
He will read a book. He will read a book.
دی به په ما پوه شي.
He will understand me. He will understand me.
موږ به ستا په باره کې فکر وکړو.
We will think about you. We will think about you.
ښه بخت درته غواړم.
Good luck. Good luck.
زیږیدنې ورځ دې مبارک شه.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
کرسمس دې مبارک شه.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.